Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your LENOVO Phab 2 Pro, let's click on the settings, scroll down, tap on the security, screen lock, and right here we can choose between the swipe, pattern, pin and the password. I'm going for the pattern. I don't want to restart our device, so choose there no thanks, and right here draw your pattern, tap on the continue and draw it again, confirm. And right now when we go into lock our Phab and unlock, we have to unlock with the pattern. Thanks for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.